Alright guys, it's me Ali here. So we were working on custom environment variables. So I just realized I missed something, so that's why I'm recording the second part, and I'll explain what I missed. Alright, so we were able to get our environment variable name as per our configuration file. So here's what I mean. Let me just comment out something for you, then I'll explain. Alright, so I'll just comment this out. So we have got the database URL. You can see that config db over here. Alright, so let me just read them. I guess it's already running. Alright, so you can see that the database URL is homedb.prod. Okay, the reason is that because I have run this command with this yarn star production. So what do I have on this command? I'm just setting up the environment variable to the production. Alright, and then running my server, okay, the node server. So let's just change it to staging and see what happens. So I'm running this command, staging, changing the node env to staging, and then running my server. Okay, so let's see what do we get there. Alright, so we get homedb staging. So where is this coming from? Okay, so this is coming from over here, not this one, from our configuration file. So for the development we get this thing, homedb key, right? And for the production we have this one, and same goes for the staging. So the thing I missed, I just got the name of the environment variable, but I didn't get the exact value of the environment variable in the last tutorial. So I just fixed this and I'll just show you right now. So what I had to do, I had to read the config variables from the process.env variable. So we have a computed property in JavaScript, so I just use that to get the exact db link, database, or any link that you want to that you have set in custom environment variables with this. So let me save this and show you guys. Right, so as you can see that database URL is home staging. I guess still loading. Let's view for a few seconds. Let's wait for a few minutes. And alright, there you go. So homedb staging, and we have the custom environment variable staging database for the home. So this is exactly what I have saved in the last video in the custom environment variable. So let's say I want to have something for the development, and then what all I have to do is to just come over here and change this to development. Sorry, I guess it's dev, my bad. Alright, so let's just wait for a few more minutes and then see. Alright, so what we have now, database env name is homedb dev, and the development database key for homie. So that's it. And one last thing that I would like to show you is that, so if you are using this custom environment variable thing, so if you're using that, it will override all your configuration files and directly show the direct db link and config variable directly. So what I mean by that, so instead of getting environment variable over here, you will get the exact link, exact value from the environment variable stored in the Windows or your operating system. So if you are trying to follow this step, so do not go with the custom environment variable. All right, so that's it. Hope that helps. Thank you very much. Bye bye, take care.